Hi parents, my name is Rachel Porter and I'm the district's integration specialist for digital curriculum. I want to talk to you today about the changes we've made to our math curriculum. It's very important that you understand the reasons behind these changes and what it means for your child's education. So bear with me for a few minutes while I talk to you about a lot of education stuff and then show you our new program. In the past, we have used Saxon's math curriculum in all of our elementary classrooms. Many parents and teachers have felt this program was effective math instruction. So why would we change? If it's not broken, don't fix it, right? Well, there actually are many reasons the district decision was to shift to a digitally based curriculum. First, there is some degree of uncertainty as to the true long-term effectiveness of the Saxon program. Although standardized test scores may be good in some buildings and levels, it's not universally true, and students do not seem to be showing long-term retention of their math skills. In addition, teachers have found it necessary to supplement their Saxon instruction for many years in order to meet the needs of our students, especially in areas of problem solving and application. Also, students do not seem to be able to transfer their math skills if they see math presented differently, which is important for them to be able to take what they learned at school and apply it in a real-life math situation. Second, even if our methods have been successful in the past, everything has changed. If you've paid attention to the news, you know that Indiana has adopted new standards that significantly increase the expectations for language arts and math. If we don't make changes to our curriculum as well, we will not be able to meet these expectations. The world has changed too. As you know, technology has exploded in recent years. We cannot effectively prepare students for the world we live in if we are not giving them experience with technology at school. Third, we have seen the power of differentiation at work. If you're not familiar with that term, it simply means getting away from a one-size-fits-all education and giving each student the instruction and learning activities that he or she really needs. We see a huge gain in effectiveness when we personalize learning. Our former curriculum did not provide differentiation. However, when we incorporate digital tools like our updated math program, it's relatively simple to accomplish. So let me introduce you to 21st century math. We are now using a combination of a standards-based curriculum map and the differentiated program IXL. This program replaces worksheet practice with online practice, and the benefits are huge. Students see instant feedback when they answer a problem. This either encourages them by recognizing their success immediately, or provides further explanations if they are struggling. The program also adapts as the students practice, increasing the difficulty of problems as they are ready, but keeping them at the basics until they master them. Teachers can see real-time information on every student, which helps them support those who need further instruction and challenge those who are demonstrating understanding. IXL helps us meet the needs of every student. Our highest achievers can keep learning without limit, so they're never bored. Our struggling learners don't have to feel left in the dust or frustrated. In other words, it personalizes learning so that your child is getting exactly what they need to grow, and it keeps every child engaged. As a parent myself, it is important to me that my children are treated as individuals and not just part of a mass group of students. So let's recap and clarify some misconceptions by taking a quick look at the top 10 reasons that you should be thrilled about our 21st century math curriculum. Number 10, we are making steps towards greater student growth and achievement. Number 9, IXL is a research-based program that has produced results in our own math pilot as well as nationally. Number 8, IXL meets the requirements of our new rigorous state standards. Number 7, we are giving students experience with technology so they will be comfortable with it and good at using it. This is crucial for their futures. Number 6, in case you're worried about this, your child's teacher is still teaching. Computers and programs don't replace live, personal instruction. Number 5, to dispel another misconception, your son or daughter is still doing paper pencil work and hands-on activities. All of these things work together for good math learning. Students are still doing math journals, other paper and pencil practice, learning centers, manipulatives, and lots of great activities. Number 4, you can access more information than ever about your child's progress. Log into their IXL account and click Reports to see all of their mastery, as well as trouble spots that may need more practice or instruction. Reason number 3, you can also enter your email address to receive notifications when your child reaches certain milestones. You may not see as many math papers coming home anymore, but there is still a lot being done at school. Number 2, students have access to their IXL account 24/7, which means that you can allow them more practice time at home, evenings, weekends, breaks, including summer when many skills fall back a bit. Most teachers would prefer that you have the students work only on skills they have already learned in class, which would be indicated by a small green graph next to the skill name. And the number one reason that you should be thrilled that we have updated our math curriculum is that it meets the individual needs of your son or daughter. Learning is personal, not the same thing at the same time for every student. I encourage you to contact me with your questions, and especially if you have any concerns or want to know more about how to access IXL at home so that you can monitor your child's progress and give them additional practice. Email is your best means of reaching me, but you may also try to catch me by phone or leave a message for me to return your call. I also invite you to follow my blog for parents at mrsporter.com/parents. Finally, please keep in mind that change is hard and it takes time. Our teachers are doing their best to make this transition efficient and effective, but it's new to them as well. Please be patient as we are all learning and teaching in new ways. Thanks for listening.